You about how to use debugger in NodeJs. Debugger is used to debug your program in NodeJs, and remember that we add debugger line at every line we want to debug your program. Then in this lesson I will give you a basic calculation of mean. We calculate an arithmetic mean, so this is a variable that point to a function, and this is an arrow function. This is an arrow function. Then it points to the variable arithmetic. The number is an array of number, and it is the input parameter, and this is the implementation of the arrow function. The arrow function has some of the command inside. We calculate the total, then we for loop a list of number, then we calculate the total value, then we print out to the screen the value. Then after calculating all, we calculate the mean by divided the total by to the number of the element in the list. Okay, then we run node index.js. This is a running command. So in this command, it bypass on the debugger, but inspect index.js, it will come to the debugger. Then you can press C to continue. C to continue to the nearest debugger. And for example, we have debugger here, and when we press C, it come to here because it come to the nearest debugger command line. And we can continue to the C, then it come to this line. So this line is highlighted. So if you want to calculate and to print out the string, we can press next to come to one line, next come to one line, next. You want to you use the next many times because you want to next come to next command and see the result. You use ReactJs. ReactJs means read the evaluation print loop. It means it print out the value of the variable. So ReactJs come to this. Then you can print out to the screen the value, for example, total, and the number. You can print out the number by pressing number enter, and it is a string. Then you can print out the calculation, for example, pass float number, and press enter. So we have it is converted to the number. Okay, you can print out the number array, and you can Ctrl C and next to come to the next line. Then I ReactJs. After pressing ReactJs, it comes to the ReactJs to allow you to print out to the screen the value of the variable. Now the total is 1. And if you want to come to next line, you must you must press Ctrl C. Then you here I show some of the value of the variable. You can see in this loop it come to here, and you press Ctrl C. Then at least 5. It means it show 5 line before and after the debugging line, and you can increase by 5. At least 10 for show more detail about some of the code line assigned around your debugging line. And you press next to come to the next. And in the case the number count is very long and you have many number in the list, so you have to press next many times till you use the set breakpoint. set breakpoint allow you to come to bypass and to come to a line, a very long line, a very far line aside from here. Then you press C, then it comes to the set breakpoint line. Yes, this is set a breakpoint line out of the for loop. Then you can repeal again to print out the value total 10, and some of other value or the length or the count of the number. The number array has a 10, has 5 element. Then you calculate here, you calculate the total divided by number dot length, and you Ctrl C to output the repeal. Then you can next this is the end of the program. It will show that the debugging is disconnected. Disconnected means you come to the end of the program, and this line means that you can debug in your Firefox in browser. But I told it after, because it related to the server and the HTTP, etc. And then you can list all 5, and it will throw the error because you are now at the end of the program. So no need to list, no need to show the position of your code. And you Ctrl C twice, one time, 2 times, then it will exit the inspector. Okay, this is the end of my lesson today about the debugger and how to debug a program in NodeJs. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for exciting video. Bye bye.